Hey, everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you are all having a great Saturday. Today is the 2nd of July. It's a new month. Hope you all have a fantastic July. This is going to be our weekly roundup. So how it's going to work is every single Saturday I will be doing a short video going over the trades that we had throughout the week. So if I had any open positions and videos and predictions that I published, today is the day that I will be going over them and we will be discussing them, seeing how they played out, whether they won or whether they lost, and just going over the actual analysis and breaking it down. All right, so let's get into it, right? We had two trades, two positions this week that I did upload, and you can see them both on our website. Link is below in the description. Check it out. I will also be linking the videos at the top right-hand corner of your screen, so feel free to check it out. Leave us a comment, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into it. The first one is a double top on the 4-hour time frame on the DAX, the German 30. Now, if you check out the video, you will see that I was waiting for price to close below this next zone and then to retrace into the next zone. I was going to enter at the very top of this next zone, right? And my targets were previous support, which is these two candles right here. And we can see this trade worked out absolutely perfectly, right? It's always awesome when we see such a beautiful, simple setup. We had divergence on the histogram below for the MACD. Everything worked in our favor. It was a lovely trade. It gave us a 1 to 4 risk to reward. And I know some of you are asking, well, you could have just held on longer and made even more, right? You could have made a 1 to 7, right? Yes, I could have, but that was not in my list of rules and criteria. My predetermined target was previous price structure, and this is why I exited right here, right? So it's all very well to say, oh, well, you could have held on. Yes, I could have held on, but I chose to exit at my predetermined targets because that is what trading is, right? Also, I was not around to see this massive 4-hour candle form, right? If we open up volume, I do like to look at volume when I am managing a position. Let's have a look here. Right. Although this is a high bar of volume coming out for this candle right here, right? Small candle, small bar. This one, yes, it is pretty high. It did not overtake any previous one, so I probably still would have exited this trade where I did. And I'm happy about that. It worked out. So if you're interested in learning how to trade double tops and double bottoms, check out our website. All the information is there. All right, our second trade that we did was on Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Now, this was an interesting one because let me remove this for now. Let me remove this for now. And let me remove this, right? We had an order block zone, right? We had an order block candle, the most recent bullish candle before price broke this support, right? Support broken right here. And we were waiting for price to retrace and enter back into this order block zone. And I was going to enter at the 50% halfway point, okay, which I did. Now, technically, looking at the analysis, I am happy with this trade. Yes, we can see we got stopped out by this gigantic wick. Look at that liquidity, right? It was coming up and collecting all these orders before carrying on downwards. Yes? So there was nothing wrong with my analysis. I was happy the way I entered and why I entered into this position. But sometimes you get stopped out. Happens to the best traders around the world, right? A loss is just a loss. A win is a win. No emotions. Keep it neutral. Just trade. Trade systematically. If you have a setup presenting an opportunity to you, take the entry. Take the entry, take the entry, take the entry. Whether you win or lose, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that you are following the list of rules and criteria that you have written down for yourselves. All right, now what is interesting about where price did spike up to is this. Who can figure out what this is? You guys know I love these order blocks, right? You know, look at this. Price spiked right up into this order block zone at the bottom, just hitting the support of this order block zone, right? Let me put a circle around this candle for you guys just so you can make sure that you can see it. Right, this circle right here, that is an order block candle. All right, and look where price went into. See, it hit it perfectly before reverting and coming all the way back down. So if you guys like these order blocks, check them out. They occur everywhere, all the time, always, across all time frames, across all markets. All right, guys. So these were the two positions from this past week. Remember to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. If you want to support us on Patreon, you can. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can get access to exclusive content, including courses, live streams, and analysis, breaking news. We do it the FSP way, which is a lot of fun. Please leave a comment in the description of these videos if there's anything that you're unsure of or you would like to know. I would be happy to go through it with you. And on that note, I am going to bid you all a very happy weekend, and I will be seeing you all next week. Thanks again for watching. See you later.